Hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video today, I will be showing you the custom cupcakes that I made for my nephew's birthday, with the cupcake reveal at the end. So I don't show me frosting or decorating the cupcakes in this video, but I do show you the cupcakes at the end of the video. Before the cupcake reveal, I'm going to show you how I decorated the box that they'll go in. But first, I'm going to show you the supplies that I used to decorate the cupcake box. So I'm going to be using a blank cake box that I got from Michael's. Its dimensions are 19 inches by 14 inches by 4 inches high. I will also be using a 20 inch by 30 inch clear corrugated plastic board that I will cut down to size to fit the cake box. I will also be using a pencil, eraser, an X-Acto knife, permanent marker, some brush pens or markers. At this point, I didn't know which marker I was using because I was going to test out a couple different ones. And also a ruler, which is not shown here, but I use it later on. So my nephew's favorite color is blue, so the cupcakes, as well as the box that they're going in, are going to be blue. So first I'm going to cut this plastic board. It's important that you measure properly, so that way your plastic piece fits into the base of your box. I have to cut my plastic board to 19 inches by 14 inches. And you also want to make sure you're using like a cutting mat or some other safe cutting surface when you're cutting your plastic board. And so once I have that piece cut, I'm showing you here how it fits perfectly into the bottom of the box. The surface of the cake box is similar to a poster board. So I had a piece of white poster board around. So all I did was measured it to 19 by 14 in order to practice what markers I'm using and how I'm going to design the box. It helps to cut the poster board down to the size that you need, so that way you can figure out the spacing and the proportion of the text or whatever you're putting on the box. I grabbed a collection of blue markers to test on the poster board. After testing with those markers, I decided to use the Prismacolor markers. And I used the broad tip side to write on the box. And here is the final product. And here's how the cupcakes turned out. If you found this video helpful, let me know by hitting the like button. Subscribe for more videos like this, and hit the bell to be notified when I upload a new video. Remember to check the description box for any supplies or materials that I mentioned in the video. And as always, thanks for watching.